Okay, so now we're looking at the accounting rate of return. Okay, as I said, return is the money you get back from an investment. So the accounting rate of return is basically the money you get back from an investment in percentage form. Okay, similar to like the internal rate of return also. Okay, where the money you get back from an investment given to you in percentage form. Okay. So I still look at this question for CUM Limited. All right. What there are two projects they are looking at. Okay. And I have to see which project is more profitable for the business or more viable for the business. So we're going to use the accounting rate of return. Okay. So I've put it in step methods so that we get the concept. So, first step, get depreciation. Okay. Remember, depreciation is the loss in value of an asset. In this question here, our projects involved getting a new plant, new machinery, basically. New plant is basically that's an asset. Okay. So the way we get our depreciation, it's cost minus scrap value divided by the number of years. All right. So for project one, we saw the cost here 105 million. Okay. The scrap value, basically this thing they told us, estimated residual value. How much you get after, how much you can get after 3 years. After you use the machine for 3 years, then you sell it. Basically, this is how much you can get. Number of years, 3 years. So you're going to do 105 minus 9, you get 96. 96 divided by 3, you get 32. Okay. So that is our depreciation charge yearly. That's the yearly depreciation charge. Okay. In the question, they told us we are using the straight line method. So with the straight line method, the depreciation charge is the same each year. It does not change. Any questions before I move further? Step two, we need to get our accounting profits for each year, basically. So accounting profit is basically your cash flow minus depreciation. Okay. So in year one, for project one, expect to receive 37 million. The depreciation, 32 million. Okay, so we're going to say 37 minus 32. Our accounting profit is 5 million. Year two, with a negative cash flow, we're in a loss. Depreciation is 32. So our accounting profit, in this case, is our accounting loss because we're making a loss. Negative 2 minus 32, get negative 34. Negative 34. All right. Year three, cash flow 5 million, depreciation 32 million. So accounting profit, cash flow minus depreciation, negative 5 minus 32, get negative 37. And negative 37 million. Okay. So after you get your accounting profits, just total them up first. So 5 plus negative 34 plus negative 37. we get negative 66. Okay. Yes. Any questions on step 2? Any questions on step 2? Yes, sir. Oh, why did I don't know. Think. Oh, so 5 minus 32. What do we get? Thank you for pointing that out, sir. 5 minus 32, we get negative 27, not 37. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that. Okay, so 5 plus negative 34 plus negative 27, negative 56. Yes. Any questions before we go to step 3? Okay, step 3, we need to get the average profit and the average cost of investment. So the average profit is basically your total profit divided by the number of years. Total accounting profit divided by the number of years. All right. So our total accounting profit was negative 56 million. So we're going to say negative 56 divided by 3. Since the number of years is 3 years. Negative 18.67. Okay. This is our average accounting profit. Okay. So it's basically like it was saying in year 1, your accounting profit will be negative 18.6, year 2, negative 18.6, year 3, negative 18.6. Okay. If you add those three negative 18.6s, you still come to negative 56. Okay. Any questions? Before we now get the average cost of investment. Mhm. It's a loss, okay, but I'm just using the word accounting profit, and because those are the terms usually used. But here, we're in a loss, okay. If it's negative, just know, even though it's being called profit, but there's a negative figure, no, you're in a loss. Okay. Okay, so our average loss basically here is negative 18.67. Okay. It's only 1 year where we've made a profit. The rest of the years it's losses. After that, you get your average cost of investment. This is the formula for average cost of investment. Is the cost of the investment plus the scrap value or residual value divided by 2. Okay. So the cost of the investment, 105. The residual value or the scrap value, 9 million. We do this divided by 2. So you're going to say 105 plus 9, 114. 114 divided by 2, that is 57 million. Okay, because remember all of these figures are in millions. Then the final step, you get your accounting rate of return, which is your average accounting profit divided by the average cost of investment times 100%. Okay. So average accounting profit, though here since it's negative is a loss. So average accounting loss is negative 18.67 divided by our average cost of investment 57. So negative 18.67 divided by 57, you get negative 0.327. 100 times negative 0.327 is negative 32.7%. Okay. So this is your, basically this is your return for this investment, negative 32.7. And if you're getting a negative return in your investment, do not even waste time trying to go through with it. Any questions? Mm-hmm. Yes, for accounting rate of return, I don't think I've ever seen it given to you in the exam. So, but I don't think they're that complicated. I think you can master them, so. Average accounting profit, just know you're getting the averages. Average cost of investment, always remember you're dividing by 2. Do not make a mistake and put a different number of, say that this is the number of years. No. Cost of investment divided by plus scrap value. Then, so basically you have to know 1, 2, 3 equations for this. 3 equations, yes. So you have to master them, sir. Yes, you need to master them. Okay, we go to project 2. So same steps. Okay. Step 1, get depreciation. Straight line method is cost minus residual value or scrap value divided by number of years. Project 2's cost 65 million. Residual value 6 million. Number of years of this project 3 years. 65 minus 6, 59. 59 divided by 3, 19.67 million. This is our yearly depreciation charge. So that is step 1, calculate depreciation. Step 2, get your accounting profits, which is cash flow minus depreciation. So for year one, cash flow 24 minus depreciation 19.67, you get 4.33. Year two, cash flow negative 3 minus depreciation negative 6.7, you get negative 22.67. Year three, cash flow 6 million, depreciation 19.67 million, accounting profit 6 million minus 19.67, negative 13.67. And once you've got your accounting profits, you just add so that you get the total. Okay. If you want, you can leave the table like this so that when you reach the next step, you're getting the average profit, then you add them up. Okay. If you want, you can get the total already. Okay. So when you add these profits, 4.33 plus negative 22.67 plus negative 13.67, you get total of negative 32.01. Divided by the number of years, 3. So let's say negative 32.01 divided by 3, negative 10.67. Once you've got your average profit, you get your average cost of investment, which is the cost of investment plus the residual or scrap value divided by 2. Okay. So you can say 65 plus 6, that is 71. 71 divided by 2, 35.5. After you get your average cost of investment, now we can get our accounting return. Average accounting profit divided by average cost of investment times 100%. Negative 10.67 divided by 35.5, you get negative 0.3. Let's see if there are other decimals after that. It's 0.30056, so we just leave it at 0.3. Then multiplied by 100%, we get negative 30%. Just hold on.